technology. Thank you. Introduce technology, and this award is a testament to the commitment of human over the years. Aeronautics Private Limited, Kolkata. Business supposedly from the Ministry of Primo in the United Kingdom. He was awarded the Best Hopefully Student Award by International Federation of Essential Oils and Aromatry.
Yes, sir. Start, sir.
Just introduce yourself and teleporting company. And how do you feel that
receiving the award?
Yes.
I am the director of JB Fragrance and Flavors. I am very happy that I received this award for the Perfumer of the Year.
Where is your company located?
My company is located in Ahmedabad. We are in this industry since 75 years. I am the third generation.
So, कितने प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आपके पास?
अगरबत्ती डिवीजन में मेरे पास more than 1000 fragrances हैं और we supply to companies all across India, all the states and all across the world also. So very happy that we received this recognition. So especially thanks to Incense Media for this award and for organizing this.
So do you have any plans to put your unit in Hyderabad?
At the moment no, but definitely seeing all the response, we will definitely think about putting it here.
So how is the response from the customer?
The response is excellent.
These 2 days.
Yes, the response is excellent and I'm really looking forward for the next day tomorrow.
This is the first time that you came to Hyderabad? Or?
No, I've come to Hyderabad. I supplied a lot of people in Hyderabad also. Love this city. First time exhibiting here, but love the city and the food especially.
सर अवार्ड ये आपका पहले भी मिला सर, फर्स्ट टाइम अवार्ड आपका?
Award first time guys.
कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं सर आपका?
Excellent. Over the top.
टोटल ब्रांचेस कितने सर आपकी कंपनी के? टोटल कंपनी के कितने ब्रांचेस हैं?
Branches we only have one branch in Ahmedabad.
Okay.
But we have agents all across. So we have approximately 15 agents all across India. In all the states we have agents.
ओके. फ्यूचर में और कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स भी और कुछ बढ़ाना चाह रहे क्या फ्यूचर में? प्रोडक्ट्स भी कंपनी और कुछ बढ़ाना चाह रहे फ्यूचर में?
बेसिकली मैन्युफैक्चर फ्रेग्रेंस एंड फ्लेवर्स.
ओके.
और वो सब इंडस्ट्री में जाती है.
ओके.
अगरबत्ती हो गया, डिटर्जेंट, सोप्स, डिओड्रेंट्स, कॉस्मेटिक्स सब में जाता है.
So this is hierarchy from your great grandfather.
My grandfather started this. I'm the third generation. Yes.
You want to involve your future generation in this?
Hopefully they would like to join this. No force, but I would love if they join.
So do you have franchises in Telangana or?
So we are a B2B company, so no franchises. We deal directly.
So what is your previous turnover as well as now this financial?
That is a little secret. We can't divulge all the details here. But we are increasing 20-25% every year.
So do you have any customers in these 2 days?
In Hyderabad? Yes, lot of customers.
How is the response from the customers? New deals. Asking for the new deals.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
Moving on, round of applause for Saraswati brand by Oriental Aromatics Limited, Mumbai. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations. Moving on to the next category. Popular Agarbatti brand on social media.
Yes.
My name is Rohit. I'm from GT Jayanti. Our company is based out of Chennai. It's a family business. We deal in import of natural resins. We are importing these natural resins from different parts of the world, like Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia. We We've been doing this for many years, and these are all the
Super.
awards. I mean, these are all the products that we are dealing in.
Yes, sir.
And I've also been recognized by Indonesian Trade Promotion Council,
Okay.
where we got the highest importer of natural resins from Indonesia.
Okay.
Today I've been felicitated by Incense Media for the best importer or best supplier of raw materials of agarbatti in the incense industry. So, thanks Incense Media for getting this award.
So since how many years you have been in this industry?
Our industry, this industry we've been dealing in since 1969. Business was started by my father, and then I'm the second generation now taking care of the business. Yes.
So putting the stall at High-Tech, how do you feel about it? How is the response from you?
This is more like a branding exposure. We put up this stall so that people know about us. People have a idea who GT Jayanti is, and we are also now doing pan-India business. Last 7-8 years, we have now grown our offices from Chennai. We are now having office in Bombay. Also, we are having in Kolkata. So we have multiple dispatch points so that we can cater to all the customers in the entire Indian market.
Do you have plan to set up a thing in Hyderabad?
Hyderabad is equidistant from Chennai and Bombay, so we have a lot of customers. So generally we decide to open an office based on logistic factors. So since logistically Hyderabad is catered from Chennai and Bombay, so we don't have a requirement to put up an office here. But yes, Hyderabad is a very good market, and that's why it is one of my major effort to make a good stall in Hyderabad, because a lot of our customers are visiting here.
So how is the response?
Response has been very good. We have got very customers from different industries, but they are more B2B, and people who are associated with us for a very long time are coming and meeting us, and we are not getting crowd which are not concerned with this industry, so we are getting more meaningful interest from this exhibition.
सर आपके कंपनी के कितने प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और कितने फ्लेवर्स हैं?
How many products are there actually?
We are basically, our parent business is spices and dry fruits. Agarbatti is also a part of our business, and in this agarbatti business we are mainly catering to the natural resins. These resins are used for making Samrani and Loban, what you call.
Okay.
So making Samrani and Loban, it is only possible through our raw materials. All our raw materials are important raw ingredients for Samrani business.
Sir, can you explain about this? Some products, can you explain?
Yeah, so this basically, we categorize the products based on this shelf.
Yes.
Like the first shelf is Damar Pattu,
Yes,
or Ralam you will say in South language. Then this is Velle Gungliam, or you call it Gum Damars.
Okay.
And then we have Damar Pattu again, but this is from a different origin, from Thailand.
Okay.
And then we have the benzoins.
Okay.
This is the most important raw material.
Okay.
Gum benzoin is basically used for making, it's like how what sugar does to a tea. Just like that, gum benzoin is the sweetener for the agarbatti business.
Okay.
So it is the most important ingredient in agarbatti business.
So what is your business?
बाइट के बाद
No, we have office in Indonesia also. So basically all these raw materials we are sourcing directly from the forest. We have collectors, and then we are exporting directly from Indonesia and importing in our own company. So that's how we are able to maintain our competitive advantage. We are able to maintain the edge over our customers or our competitors by having our office over there and procuring the raw material from the farms directly.
What is the response from Telangana?
Very good. Telangana, Andhra, and like you said, Hyderabad is so easily approachable from different cities like Chennai, Bombay, Delhi. Everyone can visit Hyderabad. Hyderabad is such a big metro city. So that's why the response is very good.
सर आप सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन के नाते आज एक अवार्ड लिया, आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
Getting award is obviously very inspiring.
Yes, sir.
When you get an award, it motivates you to do more hard work, more business. So yeah, some things like this is just like a checkpoint that what you're doing, you're right on the right track, and after this you can work even harder to achieve bigger things, bigger goals in life.
सर वो अवार्ड जो प्रोवाइड करे उनको कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप? वो
Incense
Yes,
Media.
yes.
So Incense Media has been the main X factor in this industry, because agarbatti industry has been unorganized for a long time. So they are making an effort by doing this show, and they are giving us a platform to showcase our business.
Yes, sir.
So because of them we are able to become organized, and that's why even in such corporatized industries, like you have other industries where the industries are like perfumes or flavors, fragrances, they are all very corporate industries. But something like agarbatti is like cottage industry, and there was no exhibition specially catering to agarbatti business. and Incense Media is doing that job, giving us that platform where Agarbatti business, which is a cottage industry business, is able to showcase their talent and showcase their products to the world.
So you want to exhibit in future also?
Yeah, we've been participating almost 9 exhibitions. We participated 7 or 8. So yes, in future also we'll definitely participate. And this is a very good platform to maintain your relations, meet all the people, industry peers. So yeah, it is one of the best platforms to grow our business.
Thank you, sir.
All the best. And I'm working in Oriental Aromatics since 16 years. We have a camphor, flavor, fragrance and aroma ingredients company since 1955. We have a most popular camphor brand in India, which is Saraswati brand, and 3 Pine brand. Saraswati is brand since 1969, which has been registered in the patent, and 3 Pine is 1995. Where is your industry located? So our industry, our factory located in Bareilly, which is in northern part of India, and we have the fragrance division is in Mumbai, which is in Ambarnath, and we have an aromatics company factory which is in Baroda. So we have total 4 factories in India. One more is coming in Mahad for the next material which are going to launch in 2025. So do you have any plans to start in Telangana also? So we have supplying the camphor and the other material in Telangana in so many years. How is the business? So business is good. I mean the camphor which is growing day by day, along with the camphor Saraswati brand and the 3 Pine brand, there is a Bhimseni which is the most popular now out of the market, along with the camphor tablets.
आपके कंपनी के टोटल कितने प्रोडक्ट्स हैं और कितने फ्लेवर्स?
So we have almost around 50 to 60 camphor and Bhimseni products. We have around 50 to 55 commercial supplies of chemical ingredients and more than 250 flavor and fragrance materials. We do a lot of compounding, we do a lot of fragrance since almost 70 years. So how is your business in Telangana? So camphor, I mean, we are one of the most popular brands along with Telangana in north, south, in all over India. And Telangana we do almost, I mean, what I can say, 50 to 100 customers. So how do you feel participating? Oh, great. And receiving this great. I mean, getting this award means that we are doing some hard work and we will continue doing our work. What is your business in Telangana? Business in any franchisee? No, we don't have any franchisee. We do a direct supply from our factory to the customers.
सर ये कंपनी के आप सेकेंड जनरेशन से हैं?
So company, I work as the vice president for aroma ingredients. So अभी जो company है, which is running by the 3rd generation of this company.
Okay.
Mr. Dharmil Budhani and Mr. Shamal Budhani. They are the 3rd generation. And the company was started by Mr. Keshav Budhani, and then his son Mr. Anil Budhani, who is the father of Mr. Dharmil and Shamal.
सर अप्रोक्सीमेटली ये कंपनी को अभी तक कितने अवार्ड्स मिले सर?
सर अभी वो गिनने के लिए मेरे पास
आपका एंट्री हुए बाद
तो अगर आप पॉपुलैरिटी देखें या अगर अवार्ड को देखें तो आई थिंक अभी मैं बोल नहीं सकता बिकॉज गेटिंग एनी मटीरियल एनी कंपनी 70 years दैट इज एक्चुअली अवार्ड. 70 years तक अगर कोई आप ब्रांड चलाते हो
जबरदस्त बात,
वो पॉपुलर रहता है तो उसको आई थिंक अवार्ड ऑलरेडी पब्लिक ने दे.
सुपर.
So future plans going, मैंने बोला था कि hard working, keep this brand active, popular, keep the quality, the best in the world. I mean, you can go anywhere, but the Saraswati and the 3 Pine quality is the best in the world. People are not going anywhere. जो इसने एक बार यूज कर लिया क्वालिटी, जो हमारे सरस्वती या 3 Pine में यूज कर लिया, they will never use anywhere.
सर
पॉपुलैरिटी भी है.
लास्ट सर इंसेंस मीडिया वालों को आज कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप जो आपको अवार्ड प्रोवाइड किया?
ये जो इनिशिएटिव उन्होंने लिया है, दिस गिव्स द, ये हम लोगों के लिए आगे और काम करने के लिए अच्छा एक मोटिवेशन है इन ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स. आई मीन ये पॉपुलर अवार्ड है, मे बी दे आर गोइंग टू लॉन्च अ बेस्ट क्वालिटी अवार्ड और एनीथिंग एल्स, वी आर गोइंग टू डेफिनेटली पार्टिसिपेट एंड वी विल ट्राई टू विन दिस.
इंशाल्लाह. सुपर सर. పెద్దనూరు దర్వాలన్న అయ్యా.
Good morning, namaste everybody. My name is Syed Salman. We are a 130-year-old company.
130 years?
Yes, sir. 130 years company. It was started. Agarbatti actually was started rolling by my great-grandfather's family. In those days, he was the supplier to the Mysore Maharaja families and the all royal families of India. He was a Dasangam manufacturing person, converted Dasangam into Agarbatti with a family member of 22 members making 2 shares of Vati. In 1890 century when he started business, there were no weighing scales.
कितने generations से?
I am the 5th generation.
15 generations.
5th generation. It was manufactured Batti by शेर, कलेपुरी शेर जैसा था, उसमें बनता था 2 किलो बत्ती. और 20 पर 1 लोग, इतना इनकम था, 20 पर 1 लोग आराम से खा पी के शादी घर का मकान बनाते थे. इतना अगरबत्ती का प्रॉफिट ऑफ मार्जिन था उस टाइम पे. और
how many products do you have?
Now I have got about 142 products. Our famous brand was Jamna Agarbatti, Jamna Loban. It was launched in 1940. Even today, Jamna Loban is famous.
कंपनी के ब्रांचेस कहाँ कहाँ हैं?
और आके उसका एडवर्टाइजमेंट उस दिनों में रेडियो सलोन में होता था, उतना पॉपुलर था. और अमीन साहनी उसका प्रोग्राम का वॉइस में एडवर्टाइजमेंट होता था.
Do you have any plans to open your unit in Hyderabad also?
Sir, in Hyderabad, inshallah, we are having a plan. We have been negotiating the place also. Inshallah, my children, I have got a team, my children of my and my brother's children, a team of 8 people. We are planning to have one person in Hyderabad also and start business. We are very much looking for future space in Hyderabad, sir.
सर आज बेस्ट बिजनेसमैन का अवार्ड लेकर आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
सर, ऊपर वाले की मेहरबानी है and all the love and affection of all my customers, my family, sir.
So Immense Media को आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं?
हाँ, Immense Media को मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ कि ये मेरे को अवार्ड मिला. स्पेशली दीपक भाई और उनके भाई संदीप, मैं उनकी फैमिली से फैमिली मेंबर जैसा और वे मेरी फैमिली मेंबर जैसे हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, थैंकफुल टू Immense Media and the team.
So do you want to involve your future generation in this?
Sir, my 5th generation already involved. My grandson now, he is 12 years. He started to come to the company and he is trying to blend some perfumes also along with us.
Sir,
it will be a 6th generation.
उस दौर में निजाम्स भी यूज किए गए सर आपके?
शायद यूज करिए हो गया
जी.
तो वो पहले उधर माय ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर वाज अ ट्रेडर ऑफ हालमंडी सैंडलवुड ऑयल, सैंडलवुड पाउडर
जी.
उसको दसंगम बनवा के क्या करते, मंदिर में जाके उसको देते. फिर मंदिर में पंडित लोग, पुजारी लोग उसको कुछ पूजा करके मीनाक्षी कोयल बोले तो वो मीनाक्षी कोयल का दसंगम बन जाता था. एक दिन जब दसंगम सिलगाते तो बीच में एक काड़ी रखते उसको, गिर जाता है बोल. एक दिन जब वो भूल गए तो वो काड़ी आइस कैंडी हो गई. तो तब से क्या किया, वो अगरबत्ती बनाना शुरू की छोटी छोटी. हाईली सक्सेसफुल सर. इट हैज क्रिएटेड हिस्ट्री इन द अगरबत्ती इंडस्ट्री. एक ही शॉट में साथ.
कितने कंट्रीज में आपके प्रोडक्ट्स?
मेरे 12 कंट्रीज में एक्सपोर्ट होता है. मेरा मेन मार्केट इंडोनेशिया है, मलेशिया है सर.
इसके और कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स बढ़ाएंगे सर फ्यूचर?
सर 100% हमारा पूरा एथनिक मसाला बत्ती बनता है. एक्सपेंसिव है मगर एक बत्ती सिलगाए तो ये पूरा हॉल
माशाल्लाह.
ये आपके 16 इंच की बत्ती, यानी कि 16 इंच की जो मोटी काड़ी है. वी आर नोन फॉर क्वालिटी फॉर जनरेशंस and the industry knows it. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Wish you Vision News all the best, sir.
Thank you, sir.
विष्णु अग्रवाल, श्री नारायण धाम
जी,
धनु ब्रांड जयपुर से हूँ
जी. और
हमें अवार्ड काउडन बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए मिला है. हमारी गौशाला है जयपुर में जिसके 8,000 इंडियन ब्रीड की काउज है हमारे पास में. और जो सारी नॉन मिल्किंग है उन्हीं गाय के लिए हमें प्रोडक्ट्स बना रहे हैं और इस इंडस्ट्री में आए हैं. और हमें 4 से 5 साल हो गए इस इंडस्ट्री में आए हुए. लेकिन ये अवार्ड हमें पहली बार मिला है. इसके लिए हम इम्मेंस मीडिया के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को थैंक यू देते हैं कि उन्होंने अवार्ड जो दिया है सभी कैटेगरीज के लिए पहली बार अवार्ड किया है. जो इस अगरबत्ती लाइन में परफ्यूम कैटेगरी में अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं उनको रिकॉग्नाइजेस मिले, एक मंच पर लाए, उनके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद उनका.
सर आप टोटली नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करके बना रहे हैं?
सर पूरा नेचुरल हमारा काउडंग रहता है और उसके साथ में कुछ हर्ब्स, नेचुरल हर्ब्स वगैरह मिला के हम काउडंग स्टिक्स, कप वगैरह ये सब बनाते हैं.
आपकी कंपनी के कितने प्रोडक्ट्स है, कितने फ्लेवर्स है?
सर हमारे अभी ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं है क्योंकि हमें हर्बल और नेचुरल पे काम करना है तो बहुत ज़्यादा हम उसमें नहीं कर सकते। लगभग 15 प्रोडक्ट 15 से 20 प्रोडक्ट।
सर हेड ब्रांच कहाँ पर है और दूसरे ब्रांचेस?
सर जयपुर में हमारा हेड ब्रांच और वही है सर।
साउथ में आने का
सर बिल्कुल हम प्लान कर रहे हैं साउथ में काउडंग का बहुत अच्छा काऊ का बहुत अच्छा रिस्पेक्ट होता है और लोग अच्छा नेचुरल यूज़ करना चाहते हैं।
सर इतने बड़े मंच पे आज इंसेंस मीडिया की तरफ से आपकी कंपनी को जो अवार्ड दिया, आप कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
सर इंसेंस मीडिया को मैं बहुत बड़ा थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने एक मंच दिया, एक स्टेज दिया सब लोगों को कि उनके सामने जो इस इंडस्ट्रीज में अलग अलग सेक्टर में जो काम कर रहे हैं उन लोगों को बताने के लिए कि इस सेक्टर में कौन अच्छा किस तरह से काम कर रहा है। आज हम जैसे काउडंग में काम कर रहे हैं तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं जानते, लेकिन इस अवार्ड से इस मंच से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा लोग जान पाएंगे।
अब इंशाल्लाह ये मीडिया से भी जानेंगे। और आप ये कंपनी से कितने सालों से जुड़े हुए हैं?
इंसेंस मीडिया से?
नहीं कंपनी से।
सर कंपनी से मैं 5 साल से हूँ।
सुपर सर। और आगे क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स लाएंगे कंपनी?
आगे हम काउडंग और इसमें पूरा नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स के अंदर हम एक अलग अलग रेंज लाएंगे सर और उसको पूरे इंडिया के सभी सिटीज में हम उसको डेवलप करना चाहेंगे।
और आप और इंटरनेशनल लेवल में भी ले जाएंगे क्या फ्यूचर में? और आपके कंपनी को पैन इंडिया लेवल में भी ले जाएंगे?
पैन इंडिया लेवल पे ले जाएंगे और एक्सपोर्ट लेवल पे भी ले जाएंगे
इंशाल्लाह। ओके, ओवरऑल आज कैसा लगा आपको आपके कंपनी?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। अभी बहुत कम है, अभी टर्नओवर का अभी क्या कि लोगों को इतना ज़्यादा अभी तक परफ्यूम्स वगैरह का होता है तो इतना ज़्यादा लोगों को लगता नहीं, धीरे धीरे
आ जाएंगे इंशाल्लाह।
15 से 20 प्रोडक्ट।
सुपर सर।
वैल्यू नहीं करता, वैल्यू करता है क्वालिटी और ये सब वैल्यू करता है।
सुपर।
सर इधर पार्टिसिपेट करने में आपको क्या महसूस करते हैं?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है।
फर्स्ट टाइम
नहीं पार्टिसिपेट तो मैं हैदराबाद में पहली बार आया हूँ। हैदराबाद इज द गेटवे ऑफ साउथ। हैदराबाद बहुत नाइस सिटी, बहुत अच्छा।
सर ये 5 इयर्स में कितने अवार्ड्स कंपनी जीती सर?
सर ये अवार्ड्स इस कैटेगरी में अवार्ड्स इंसेंस मीडिया ने शुरू किए हैं
जी,
तो नेचुरली फर्स्ट अवार्ड ही है।
ओके।
पहले कभी अवार्ड दिए नहीं जाते थे इस इंडस्ट्रीज में कभी।
जी सर।
ये अवार्ड मिलने से आपको
बहुत अच्छा सर। और ये अवार्ड भारत की सभी गौमाताओं को मैं समर्पित करता हूँ। भारत की सभी जो गौमाता है उनको समर्पित करता हूँ और बहुत अच्छा मुझे लगता है।
आपका जिम्मेदारी भी बड़ी है?
जिम्मेदारी बिल्कुल बड़ी है सर, हम और अच्छा ज़्यादा काम करें।
थैंक यू सर।
गौमाता जय गौमाता।
सर
We are from Saptagiri Camphor Private Limited and we established in 1988. This is the 32nd year and we are participating first time in Incense Media, Hyderabad. We are very happy to participate in this great occasion. We will be in touch with Incense Media for the long term. We will be very happy for this great occasion and achievement of our great largest star suppliers award in camphor field. We are very happy to see this great occasion. We are the people in the largest manufacturers of camphor and aroma products in India. We are the founder chairman, Sri R.S. Reddy,
yes,
was the main founder for our company. Now Sri Mahesh Reddy sir and chairman and Srimati Silpa madam, our managing director, and Ishant Reddy, one of the director, and young generation. With their cooperation, we are successfully achieving this great award.
So
Actually,
total how many products do you?
so we are having, these are our major products
Okay.
at present,
okay.
and now we are recently introducing Amrek Sin, that's his perfumery product, which is a great thing to be using perfumery in the Agarbatti industries. We are expecting great chance to join with the more people to serve in large system.
సార్ కంపెనీ స్థాపించి ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాలు అయింది? హెడ్ బ్రాంచ్ ఎక్కడ?
So actually we started in 1988. This is 32nd year.
Okay.
So
And
you are the second generation of this.
Actually we are the second generation and third generation is joining
Inshallah.
by 2025.
Okay.
And we are having having almost exports
Okay.
in 50 countries.
Super. 50 countries. Great. How many you have branches?
We have actually 6 branches in South India.
Okay.
And in North India, we are doing lot of business
Okay.
with directly, and we are doing business since the export. We are now the leader. We are becoming the leader of world number 1.
So where is your unit actually?
Our unit is in actually corporate office in Hyderabad. Our factory at Anandpur in Andhra Pradesh.
సార్ ఇంత గొప్ప
We are having the branches in Madurai, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Nagpur,
సూపర్
and associated people are there throughout the India. And also we are doing lot of exports in camphor and aroma products. That products almost it is reaching to 50 countries at present.
So what are your future plans to increase the product?
We are also expanding another industry. Actually, last couple of years back, we started our Saptagiri Camphor Laboratories Private Limited, which is in near Hyderabad. That is now we are developing pharma and other aroma products.
సార్ ఇంత
So how do
గొప్ప
you feel about receiving this
అవార్డ్ ఎస్
instance
So
award?
actually, this is the great. We are feeling very happy to receive this great award. We are the first time we are joined in Insights Media.
Yes.
In the first time itself, we got
Great award, yeah.
great award, and also so we are expected in the last, but actually we are the first because we are the largest manufacturers of camphor and aroma products.
సార్ ఇది మీ అవార్డ్ మిమ్మల్ని బాధ్యత పెంచిందంటారా?
It's definitely it will be giving more responsibility to develop lot of business in the coming years.
సార్ ఫ్లేవర్స్ కి ఎక్కువ నేచురల్ ఫ్లేవర్స్ యూస్ చేస్తారా సార్ ఏమన్నా?
Both natural and synthetic.
So how is the response here, sir? Since second day, this is second day.
Actually, compared to yesterday, we have a lot of pressure.
ఓకే
Just we got a more number of people to join in this great occasion.
సూపర్
We- With Insights Media, it is covering large number of people throughout worldwide.
ఓకే
So because some Malaysia people also came and they got the index and our procedures are following. We are expecting great business
Super,
in
sir.
coming years.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ ఎస్
Supporting, and we are one of the best,
ఎస్
largest and manufacturers
సూపర్ సార్
of camphor and aroma products.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you.
ఎస్ సార్ ఎస్ సార్ టైటిల్ ఇక్కడ అగరబత్తి ఇది కదా ఇది ఇది అగరబత్తి ఇది అది వేరేది వస్తుంది ఎట్లా ఫోటోలో రాదు కానీ